in terms of fourth quarter, we do a lot of the damage to ourselves. Here's why. For fourth quarter, we invite them to punt the deal down the road by following up, by checking in. Just wanted to see if you had any questions, right? What you have to do when it's the fourth quarter and people are distracted is remove all of the how's it going, hope you're doing well, wanted to check in on that deal, see where we're at with that contract, see if you had any questions. Because you're inviting them to do what? God, I have family coming in next week. You know what, on that deal, if you could just circle back with me after the, right? We brought that on ourselves. Right? So in fourth quarter, I would like all of your messages, if there was something they needed to do, sign a contract, deliver a PO, right? Upload a document, focus on the mechanics that have to be done. Don't reference the holidays. Hey, Brad, Matt Easton over here at Easton University, wanted to make sure you had the link to get your team access to the sales coaching. I'm going to resend it over to you right now. I'm on my mobile, 720-660-3202. What did I not do? How's it going? Happy holidays. Hope your day's going great. Okay, I'm not trying to be Ebenezer Scrooge here. I'm trying to land the damn plane, okay? And I didn't say if you have any questions, I'm on my mobile. I'm talking as if you are going to do the thing that we both expect you to do. Sign the contract, fill out the PO. Okay, so that's if they were going to do something. No checking in on it, no following up, because as soon as you crack that door open, they're going to kick it open and go, we got delays, something happened, Tommy went to Cabo, we're going to have to punt, right? But if you just go, hey, wanted to make sure you had the contract, I'm going to re-sign it, oh crap, with Tommy. You know what, Tommy, I'm going to sign for Tommy. And they just do it, right? Because you gave them no excuses not to do it. If they truly have questions, this is why I say, I'm on my mobile, or I'm on my direct line, 720-660-3202, in a calm, cool, pilot-like manner. Because if they do have questions and are like, we can't get this approved, they'll still call and let me know, right? I'm just not going to invite that. Now, here's the other thing. Those are the people that said they were going to do something. Here's the other thing where you can have a Q4 contest. Back to Rick's original point at the beginning of this. Our biggest problem is obscurity. I'm just going to tell you all right now, if you're in a B2B environment, and even in some B2C, business consumer instances, okay, there's a little thing that's going on right now in Q4 where people are having conversations with their accountant and they're estimating taxes for the corporation or the individual. And there are many cases, more than you would even think, where they're like, you got a pretty big tax bill coming up, got to spend some money. Right? So you'll be shocked if you don't call, hey, I'm just calling to say happy holidays and check in with you guys and see where we're at. Make a bunch of calls in Q4 to see if it makes sense. It's not pushy, it's not manipulative. You're asking, does it make sense? Right? Hey, calling to see if it makes sense to add an additional 3 servers to your package here before the end of the year. I'm on my direct line, 720-660-3202. Hey, calling to see if it makes sense to commit to any logistics projects here towards the end of this year or beginning of next year, get them all squared away within this year's budget. I'm on my direct line, 720-660-3202, right? I'm not being pushy. And it's such a short message that I can cast a really wide and shallow net, and you'll be shocked at how many times people go, hey, you know what? We did need to spend some money. Yeah, can you give us a deal on the servers if we buy 10? Right? Now you're in a good spot. So for all those deals that are going to punt, there's another deal that we don't even know about that would buy like that because they're trying to buy on this year's budget, if that makes sense. Hey, it's Matt Easton, founder of Easton University Sales Coaching. If you like this video, I think I'm about to become your new best friend because I want to cover the cost for you to get the closing mini masterclass. The $299, I'm paying for it for you. It's free for you. Click the link somewhere around here or simply comment with the word closer. I'll cover the $299. You'll get the closing mini masterclass, make a lot more money, and I'll be your new best friend. I'll see you over in the closing masterclass.